Hello guys, welcome to Excel Expert.
Today we are going to learn two excellent functions which will be very useful for the beginners who are learning, the people who need some files for their practice purposes. So they need to create some files, and for this they need to write some numbers on the cells to fill the cells. So if they write manually, it will be very time consuming, but they can use RAND and Randbetween function to get those numbers very quickly. So let's get started. Here I'm writing the function RAND. So here is the RAND function. I'm clicking on it. There is no argument needed to write here, so I'm closing the bracket and pressing enter. So here you are seeing a decimal number. The RAND function contains only the values between 0 and 1. So all the numbers will be decimal here. I'm dragging and I'm dragging again. All the cells are filled with numbers, so all of them are decimal. If I want to increase or decrease the decimal here, I have to just click here, so the decimal number are decreased up to our expectation. If we want to take integer number, we have to use Randbetween function. Let's see the Randbetween function. Here I'm starting writing the function. Here's the function. I'm clicking on it. So I have to set up here the range, bottom and top number, where I want to take my numbers. I am providing 200 for bottom and 400 for top. Here I have set my top and bottom number. Now I'm clicking enter. 371. So the number is between 200 to 400. Here I'm dragging again. Oh, that's nice. Thus you can create a practice file within some seconds. If we want to add decimal with these integers, we have to go to formula bar and then write plus and RAND function, just as usual, and pressing enter. So here is a decimal number. I'm dragging again here, so all of them are holding decimal, then again dragging. Oh, that's nice. Now I want to take up to 2 decimal points, so I'm decreasing the other decimal points, and there we go. So it's excellent. So within a short period, you can create a lot of practice files for your practice purpose. If you are interested to my videos, you please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching the video.